Hi everyone, I'm Dilip Vignesh Sridharan, co-founder and CEO of NewEye TechSpace. First of all, I welcome every one of you for the Neon Orbit 2020. I'm pleased to host every one of you on this event. Thank you and welcome once again. Our world economy revolves around only two sets of people. One who are having a problem and seeking for a solution, and another set are having a product and ready to provide the service. Each problem are unique, so each solution has to be unique. But we always look for one size fits all. Let's take an example of a supermarket and a kirana store. Assume there is only one big supermarket in the outskirts of the city with a huge capacity, varieties, and facilities to satisfy the needs of the whole city. On the other hand, there are at least 5 to 7 kirana stores in your street, where there won't be much variety, there will be only less offers, and priced higher. We all think that supermarket is the best option. Ironically, it is not. We must always understand that the monopolistic practices always comes with a price. Because when we all start buying from one store, then whatever he gives is the product. Whatever he says is the price. But when you have an option to buy from different varieties of shop in order to retain us as their customers, they will provide us a competitive service and product. We are a big fan of biomimicry. We always look for answers from nature. Look at the plants. It's like us. It needs energy to grow and produce flowers and fruits, and from those seeds of the fruit starts the life of next plant. See, nature has not designed in a way that all operations are handled by itself. First, it has to put a leaf outside and observe the sunlight. Then, it has to let other insects like ants, caterpillar to eat those leaves and let them grow. Then it produces the flowers and honey in it and let those insects to drink it honey. In that process, it transfers the pollens, and the insects has to move to the another flower and transfer the pollens and fertilize it. Then only the fruit comes. After that, some animal or birds has to eat that fruit along with the seeds, and they have to excrete them as a waste in the land. And from that only the next plant grows. It is very clear in nature's design. The waste of one becomes the food for another. And it does not follow monopolistic practices. Everything is done in a distributed way. This inspired me to found the brand NewEye, where its sole purpose is to be a bridge between the solution seekers and the service providers, and with an ultimate intention to empower and enable the service provider to produce the right solution for the right problem, following the same strategy of nature. Today, we are making the vision come true, launching the Neon program public. In the complete process of developing a solution for a problem has multiple stages. First, we need to speak to the customer and understand their pain points, and convert the pain points into functional requirements, and convert the requirement into design, and confirm the customer expectation whether this is what he wants or any changes required. Then iterate the design till it meets the customer satisfaction. Then onboard the technical team by explaining the use case, backstory, value proposition, and etc. Then develop a prototype and once again review it with the customer whether the product is getting structured as per the initial design and documentation. Then completing the product and train the customer towards the product. Then again iterate the development till customer gets hands-on with the product, and finally provide the support till the product becomes self-sustainable and robust. If you analyze deeply, except technical development, all other activities require experience along with knowledge in order to excel in that function. But in the case of technical side, we cannot say that experience plays a role for excellence. For example, we cannot speculate that a 30 years experienced programmer will only be able to write better code. We have seen many young champs developing a product with no experience. I don't say that experience is not required at all. All I'm saying is knowledge plays a major role than experience when it comes to technical side. It is very clear we cannot purchase an experience or learn it from someone. If you want to become 25 years experienced person, then you should invest your 25 years into that function. Unlike in technical side, we have abundant amount of choices to get the knowledge from our colleges, coaching centers, books, and ultimately from the internet university. In my career, I have met a lot of students and individuals who has the endurance and passion to venture on something new. But most of the students and individuals believe that technical knowledge alone make their dream come true. But in reality, in order to make it happen, it needs the hands of other functions as well. When I spoke with many failed entrepreneurs, the common reason everyone gave is that they lacked in managing things. Idea didn't work, over-engineered product, does not match market requirement, outdated, lack in vision, etc. But none of them said that we are technically weak. Considering all these facts and surveys, we decided to build the Neon program where any students, working individuals, self-employed, and anybody who has the passion and endurance to create a positive social impact can join, and for whom we assist and provide all the functions required in order to cultivate the technology into meaningful and impactful solution or product to the society. What is the need for this program? Yes, we understand you are empowering the individuals, but what difference it is going to bring in this society? This is the one question asked to me when I tried to validate this idea of Neon program with some industry legends. Before I tell you the answer I gave to them, I want to tell you all what is really happening around us in this world right now. Corona, pandemic situation, banning apps and products, new ventures in India, permanent work from home, movies in OTT, live stream shopping, surveillance everywhere, and many. Don't you all find a pattern in it? I see that everything is happening not because of the outbreak of Corona. It is all planned in order to bring Industry 4.0 revolution. All Fortune companies have already invested heavily in technologies like 5G, IoT devices, streaming services, automation tools, productivity tools, monitoring systems, and many more. It is not possible to directly bring those technologies and products into our market. First, the demand for these technology has to be created. The need for these products has to be developed. This is what's happening right now. They decentralized us and made us connected through internet all the time. They made us to purchase at least one premium streaming service. They made us to get addicted for high-speed internet connection. And finally, they developed the need among us that being remotely connected through all high technology is the future. If you ask me who are they, I don't know. If you ask me how can we stop it, I don't know. But if you ask me we cannot do anything, then I would say yes, we can do something. No. We have to do something. This is the answer for the question asked to me by everyone. What impact does Neon program going to bring? Yes, through Neon, we are going to make our people stop relying in other countries for solutions. Yes, we are going to develop our own solution and set the standards. But as I said earlier, we are going to do this by empowering individuals to influence every other individuals, not as a monopoly. Okay, now let me take you all through the step-by-step process involved in Neon program in order for you to get empowered. First, you can join into the Neon program as a student, working individuals, self-employed, and more interestingly, you can even join as SME, small micro entrepreneurs. Joining as SME is nothing but group of individuals who would like to create a brand for them and develop products in that brand name. This will allow them to have all the essence of running a startup with zero liabilities and risk. We even help the SMEs to conduct campus interviews, trainings in order to expand their team, which in turn helps the next level of individuals to start contributing towards the positive impact. As soon as you get enrolled, the Neon Scrutiny team start assessing your skill sets. Once the assessment is over, with respect to the results, you will be allotted for a specific product development. Note that this scrutiny process is only to allot the right product for the right team. For instance, an enterprise level application cannot be allotted for an entry level Neon developer. After doing a lot of analysis, the Neon functional team picks the right pain point and convert it into the right solution and allot it to the right team. Once the product is allotted, a dedicated person or a team from NewEye will also be allotted, who will be guiding, directing, and making sure that development is happening according to the industry standards and best practices. They will also make sure that every piece of code you write is reusable, which will benefit every other developer in the Neon program. Let me explain you with an example. Let's say Team 1 is working on onboarding screens for an application 1, and when application 2 also have onboarding screens, then the Team 2 is not required to develop those screens. They can simply use the screens already developed by Team 1, and similarly vice versa. This will ultimately help all the developers in Neon program who just need to concentrate on new functionalities and screens, not doing same old stuff again and again until there is a need for a revamp. We also make sure that from the first line of code to the deployment of the application, we'll be assisting you if you get stuck or in need of any support. After successfully completing the product which satisfies the customer requirement, then in the NewEye Solute website, your profile details will be added as developed by. That will become your single source of truth towards the effort you made for the product. On top of that, you will be able to download the certificate of experience mentioning the time you spent for the product development. More importantly, you will be paid for the time you spent for the product development as a stipend. Do you think this is all you are going to get through this program? A big no. The real benefit comes later. Whenever the respective product sold to a customer, you will get 20% as royalty from the primary sale amount of the product. You will continue to receive 20% of royalty for every new sale. Yes, there are some basic terms and conditions in order to continue owning the royalty, which will be explained to you during your onboarding process. The benefit doesn't end there. Let's say you enroll into the program at the second year of your college. At the end of fourth year, you would have developed and started maintaining a couple of applications, and for which you will be receiving the royalty. At the end of your academics, if you feel that you wanted to take an even bigger role through dedicated employment, NewEye always welcomes them with open doors. I also assure you all that we will be adding many more monetary benefits for the Neon developers and NewEye employees. I know you might have received n number of questions about this program now, for which we have a dedicated question and answer session. Before that, I want to answer one question which everyone might have thought about. Does this Neon program really work? Or is it just a concept? Have you done any POC? To answer all these questions, watch this. Yes, on January 2020, we started the Neon program pilot, through which Xsense was the first product developed by just 2 individuals. On 16th June 2020, which is in 6 months of time, we sold that product to Stanley Black & Decker, Bangalore, one of the Fortune 500 company in the world. Yes, this big milestone we achieved gave us the confidence and made us to officially launch this Neon program public. Now let's come to question and answer session. I have picked top 10 questions asked. Let's get started. Is there any enrollment fee for this program? The main aim of this program is to bring the entrepreneurship quality in each and everyone. As of now, we have not built any business model through this program. So there is no fee for you to get enrolled in this program. What will happen if we are not able to complete the development in the given duration, or we get stuck in progress? Okay. Our intention is not to get work done. If that was the case, we could have done through freelancers. We are not expecting freelancers. We are here to develop and train entrepreneurs. So as I mentioned earlier, the allotted team from NewEye will assist you whenever you baffled with technical problems. Yes, it is important and ethical to stick to a time, because there might be a customer waiting for that product, but in an unfortunate situation, if it is consuming more time than expected, there won't be any issue. How many hours we need to spend daily on this program? Will there be any time flexibility? It is completely up to you how fast you wanted to complete the product. There is no rule on spending time per day, but it should be properly updated with the team lead you are coordinating with. And any reviews or meetings will be scheduled only on your comfortable timings. Can we join as a group and develop a product? Yes, you can form a group and subgroups under you, but a group should not have more than 3 individuals. For each group, one product will be allotted. What is the technology stack required? It is subjective to the customer need, but right now we are going with Flutter, Mongo, Node, Express. If the customer requires a dedicated iOS app, then we may need Swift UI as well. You mentioned NewEye Solute, where all the application will be deployed. Can you explain that in detail? Okay, NewEye Solute is altogether a separate platform. It is a bigger topic to discuss, but you can assume as App Store or Play Store, where all the application published in Solute will be made sure that it aligns and solves the industry or societal problem. And it will be also made sure that when a customer subscribes to NewEye Solute, all the application will be connected and they can use any of it. So against each application, the developer profile will also be added. Can we participate in any of the function other than development? Say like collecting requirement, designing the application, interacting with customer. Currently no, but in our pipeline we are planning to extend this Neon program to all other functions as well, like digital marketing of the published application, listing prospective customers, finding societal pain points, and much more. You mentioned that we will get the royalty for every time the product got sold. What if the product takes more time to be sold in the market? Yes, in some unfortunate market situation like this corona pandemic, there will be a slowdown in business. That is the reason we are providing the basic monetary benefit once the product got completed, which will be helpful till you start receiving your royalty. But we assure that the NewEye functional team make sure that the product which was allotted has potential market and immediate need. Will we have the flexibility to choose the product? Currently we are rolling out with limited scope, so there won't be much flexibility in choosing the product, but very soon we get expanded into more number of Neon participant and products. For sure that flexibility will be bought. Is it possible to own multiple products? Yes, it is possible to own multiple products, but in order to switch to the next product, either you should have completed the first product or you should have bought a subgroup under your group. If there is any ongoing support for the first product, then the next product will be allotted with proper analysis. That's it. We hope this live stream gave enough visibility towards the ideology and importance of this program. We are not going to stop innovating in the process of empowering individuals. This is just a beginning. We can't wait to start working with all of you and watch you do the best for your life and others. We believe if we all join together, we can change the world for better. So let's start revolutionize the way we work, to whom we work, and for what we work. There is an enrollment link in the description. Please submit your details if you are interested. Finally, thanks to you all for joining us today. This is such a big day for us. Once again, thank you. Let's all move towards the big fortune.